Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that's shaping the future of industries. Get ready to discover how AI is transforming business operations and boosting efficiency. Join us on this journey as we uncover the incredible ways AI is impacting various sectors, from customer service to finance and beyond. Whether you're a business professional, an AI enthusiast, or just curious about the latest advancements in technology, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed by the endless possibilities of AI in business. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the undeniable impact of AI in customer service. Customers today demand instant responses and personalized interactions. And guess what? AI is delivering just that. Companies are jumping on the bandwagon by implementing AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants to handle customer queries around the clock. These intelligent bots analyze customer inputs and provide instant answers, ensuring that no question goes unanswered. What's cool is that they're not your run-of-the-mill chatbot. They learn from past interactions, understanding customer preferences and tailoring responses accordingly. It's like having a personal assistant for each customer. Now you might be wondering why go for AI-powered customer service. Well, it's simple. These AI-driven solutions offer 24/7 availability, handle multiple queries simultaneously, and learn and adapt over time, becoming smarter with each interaction. Companies like Zendesk, Intercom, and Drift are leading the charge in providing AI-driven customer service platforms. These tools don't just answer questions, they provide a delightful customer experience, boosting satisfaction and loyalty. But wait, there's more. How about diving into the world of AI-powered data analytics? Yup, you heard it right. In the fast-paced world of business, making informed decisions is crucial. That's where AI-driven data analytics steps in as a game changer. These AI systems go beyond traditional data processing. They dive deep into vast amounts of data, uncovering hidden patterns and generating actionable insights. With the ability to analyze massive data sets in real time, AI helps businesses identify trends, predict customer behavior, and optimize operations like never before. Imagine having a digital sidekick that sifts through tons of data, highlights key trends, and presents them in a way that's easy to understand. Well, that's exactly what AI-driven data analytics offers. By harnessing the power of AI, businesses gain a competitive edge, improve efficiency, and make smarter decisions faster than ever before. Now let's shift our focus to e-commerce and see how AI is changing the game in personalization. Online shoppers want recommendations that match their unique tastes and preferences. That's where AI-powered personalization comes into play. By analyzing user behavior, purchase history, and preferences, AI algorithms provide tailored recommendations that resonate with each customer. Say goodbye to generic suggestions and hello to a shopping experience that feels like a custom-made journey. But it doesn't stop there. AI also enables dynamic pricing, ensuring that customers see prices that are relevant to them. It's like having a personal shopper guiding customers through an online store. Platforms like Amazon, Netflix, and Shopify are already leveraging AI-driven personalization to boost customer engagement and satisfaction. Are you ready to take your e-commerce game to the next level? Next up, let's talk about AI in finance. Managing finances effectively is crucial for any business. And guess what? AI is revolutionizing the way we handle money. With its advanced analytical capabilities, AI helps detect fraudulent transactions in real time, safeguarding businesses against financial losses. It's like having a vigilant financial bodyguard. But that's not all. AI simplifies complex financial processes, optimizes investment strategies, and manages risks like a pro. Banks and financial institutions like JP Chase, PayPal, and Square are embracing AI to enhance security, streamline operations, and provide personalized financial services. Alright, now let's shift gears and explore how AI is transforming human resources and recruitment. Finding the right talent is essential for any organization. And guess what? AI is streamlining the process from sourcing to hiring. AI-powered tools analyze resumes, assess candidate skills, and even predict job performance. It's like having an expert recruiter by your side. But wait, there's more. AI ensures compliance, reduces bias, and automates routine tasks, giving HR teams more time for strategic initiatives. Platforms like HireVo, Pymetrics, and LinkedIn Recruiter are leading the way, helping companies make better hiring decisions faster than ever before. Now, let's dive into AI in marketing. Capturing the attention of customers is key for any business. And guess what? AI-driven marketing is changing the game. From personalized content to targeted ads, AI tailors marketing messages to resonate with each customer. No more generic campaigns. With AI analyzing customer data and preferences, businesses can deliver hyper-personalized experiences that drive engagement. Whether it's email marketing, social media ads, or website recommendations, AI ensures that customers see content that speaks directly to their interests. Want to optimize your marketing campaigns? AI has got you covered. By analyzing campaign performance, AI provides insights to refine strategies, allocate budgets, and maximize results. Let's talk about AI in manufacturing. Streamlining production is vital for any business. And guess what? AI-powered automation is taking center stage. From quality control to predictive maintenance, AI ensures that manufacturing processes are efficient and error-free. AI-driven robots and systems analyze data, detect defects, and optimize production lines. The result, products of the highest quality and minimal waste. But that's not all. AI enhances supply chain visibility, predicts demand, and optimizes inventory levels, ensuring that businesses stay ahead of the curve. Okay, now let's explore how AI is driving sustainability and energy management. As businesses become more eco-conscious, AI steps in as a champion of sustainability. AI-powered smart grids monitor energy usage, optimize power distribution, and reduce waste. By analyzing energy consumption patterns, AI identifies areas for improvement, enabling businesses to reduce their carbon footprint and save costs. So whether it's optimizing HVAC systems or promoting responsible energy consumption, AI is at the forefront of driving positive environmental impact. And there you have it, folks. From transforming customer service to driving sustainability, AI is proving to be a game changer in various industries. The integration of AI into business operations is not just a trend. It's a movement that's reshaping the way businesses operate and compete in the market. Now, it's time for you to join the AI revolution and embrace the endless possibilities that await. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of AI. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop with our latest content. We've got more fascinating topics and trends in AI and technology waiting for you. Until next time, keep exploring the endless world of artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, transforming the way businesses operate, innovate, and grow. From automating repetitive tasks to predicting customer behavior, AI is driving business success across industries. So how exactly is AI reshaping the business landscape? Let's explore how AI is revolutionizing business operations and boosting efficiency. First up, AI in customer service. Companies are using AI chatbots and virtual assistants to provide 24/7 support, answer customer queries, and handle repetitive tasks, allowing human agents to focus on complex issues. Next, we have AI in data analytics and decision-making. AI processes vast amounts of data, identifies patterns, and provides actionable insights, empowering businesses to make smarter decisions. And that's not all. AI is also revolutionizing e-commerce, finance, human resources, marketing, manufacturing, and sustainability. As AI continues to evolve, its influence on business will only grow stronger. So stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe to AI Endless World and discover how AI is transforming industries. Don't forget to like and comment. See you in the next video.